Yes, I made it.
Congrats, bhai. Beta, I am proud of you that you are going to be an IIM graduate. Ishan, you should be just like your elder brother.
I will try my best, Dad.
I know he will succeed. He is my younger brother after all.
But Anubhav, you shouldn't spoil him.
And you shouldn't put too much pressure on him, Dad. Let him be.
But I don't want to do what he did. Why don't you understand, damn it? Shut up! What's your tone? Do you even know what you're talking about?
What's going on?
भैया, please पापा समझाओ.
अरे हो क्या गया?
लो, अब भाई के आपने नौटंकी शुरू कर दी.
Dad, at least let him state his case. Come on, let's sit and talk this over comfortably.
Bhai, I want to be a journalist. I really do. And I think I have got the skills. And it's a stupid career choice.
पापा यार उसे बोलने तो दो.
अनुभव, तुमने फिर सर चढ़ा के रखा हुआ है. We both know that journalism doesn't have any future. Not for him especially, with his careless attitude.
You should have more faith in your son, Dad. This is not done. Where will he get the strength to take on the world if not from his own family?
I do believe in Ishan, but that doesn't mean I've forgotten the reality of this world. It's a harsh and cruel place, my son.
But Dad, I can do it. Just give me one chance.
He'll succeed if he does something he truly loves, Dad. If you push him into something he doesn't like, the likelihood of failure increases that much more.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying.
Anubhav, you're being just as immature as Ishan. If he's your brother, he's my son too. All these things which you people are saying, they look pretty on paper and are good to hear. But in reality, happiness comes from good job and money. Ishan's too young to understand this. But you, Anubhav, you at least should understand.
I'll support him, Father, and we'll deal with the consequences.
Fine, जो करना है करो. But mark my words, Ishan, you're going to regret your decision.
अब तो लाइफ सेट है यार. अब तो मैं जर्नलिस्ट बन ही गया. पापा को दिखा दूंगा. पापा वॉज राइट. मुझे इन चक्रों में पढ़ना ही नहीं चाहिए था.
He destroyed my life. खुद तो साला बड़ा आदमी बन गया. और मुझे इस हाल में छोड़ गया. काश, काश मैंने पापा की बात सुन ली होती. He destroyed my life. I hate him. I really hate him. That bastard.
Oh my God, Ishan, what happened to you? Hurry, come on inside. Anubhav, Ishan's here.
अरे ईशान, तू यहाँ कैसे? एक्शन. हाँ यार बैठ. क्या हुआ ईशान?
कुछ नहीं. मुझे घर से निकाल दिया.
क्यों? कैसे?
Hey Mittal, your rent is still pending. Pay up.
I will pay in a few days. I promise.
Pay it right now or get out.
तुम जब तक चाहो यहाँ पे रह सकते हो ईशान, ये तुम्हारा ही घर है।
Thank you, भाभी.
ईशान हम बाहर जा रहे हैं, थोड़ी देर तक वापस आएंगे.
Yeah, sure, भैया. Bye. You won't know what hit you. So, भैया, I was thinking, isn't this a good deal?
Yeah, surely sounds good. For a journalist, you have got some serious business started. Just इसको टेबल पे छोड़ दो and I'll tell you up in the morning.
You guys, business even on the dinner table.
That comes from a hardcore businesswoman.
No, I'm nowhere near as bad as you.
Oh really? You run the business of controlling my life 24/7, woman.
Anubhav, I'm not saying this as your wife, but as your business partner. Steal is really a bad idea. Eh?
Wish you're biased.
No, you are biased, Anubhav. You are letting your personal feelings and relations interfere with your business.
Don't lecture me.
I'm not. I'm stating my opinion as a stakeholder in this firm.
Yeah, and I think your claims are unsubstantial. We have gone for riskier deals than this in the past.
With trusted firms, Anubhav. Not some out of the blue corporations with... I don't have to be explaining this to you.
That's because you don't have an explanation. You simply just don't trust Ishan.
Yes, I don't. Because I haven't lost my senses like you. I'm not blinded by my love. You'll regret signing this deal if you do decide to go through with it. Anubhav, trust me. But wait, you trust your brother.
This conversation is over. कौन है?
Hi, Ishan.
अंदर आ जा यार.
What happened, भैया? क्या हुआ? I heard yelling.
अरे कुछ नहीं हुआ ईशान, तू टेंशन मत ले. आ बैठ.
Oh no, I get it. ये सब उस पेपर्स की वजह से हो रहा है ना? भैया, आप रहने दो. I'm sorry.
नहीं यार ईशान, ये तू अपने ऊपर मत ले.
But a deal is insignificant in front of your happiness.
देख, it has risks, but I'm proud you came up with it. She just doesn't understand. Give me a pen. I'm signing it right now.
भैया, are you sure you don't want to consult भाभी?
Just give me a pen, goddammit. Best of luck. Do me proud.
Thank you, भैया.
Why, Ishan?
You always loved me too much, bhaiya. So much that you couldn't even see what's good for me.
What?
Your love fueled the decisions which ruined my life. But not anymore. Love is sacrifice, no? Well then, today, with the sacrifice of your life, power and position, I will rise. By scripting your downfall, I have written the lines of my essay in journalism with my very own hands. Farewell, brother.